We're gonna do a different egg recipe every day for 1 month. Welcome to Eggmas, day 1. This is just gonna be a little series I'm gonna do every day. Michael put the poll right here. I asked you guys if you guys want me to do it for a week or a month. You guys said a week, so I'm gonna do Eggmas, day 1. A lot of you guys asked me if I like the induction, this guy right here. I love this guy. And also you guys asked me why do I use this thing and not the stove. If I'm back here, you guys can't really see what I'm doing, right? So for my first egg recipe, I'm gonna be doing the first way I ever learned how to make an egg. And that's the way my grandma taught me. So that's what I'm gonna do for this first egg recipe. So I'm gonna start off with bacon in a pan.
2 seconds later.
This is liquid gold. Don't throw this away. Also, quick tip. Usually I tend not to crack on edges because then the shell gets inside of here. So that's basically what we're doing here. Cooking the egg in bacon fat. Now once this white part fully cooks, I'm gonna show you what my grandma showed me. Kind of broke the yolk by accident. I don't know how that happened. Anyways, so here's what I would do with my grandma. Just take the bacon fat and just baste the yolk with it. And that was basically it. But let me do another one because this one's not that pretty. You can just crack the egg like that in the pan and it's all good. Also, look how orange these yolks are. This is why I really like these eggs. If you can find eggs with orange yolks like this, do it. Okay, so I already showed you the basting way. That's what my grandma showed me as a kid. This is the way I just do it now that I am an adult and all grown up. I just do this. Quick little flip, that's it. Good to go. Then we put that on a plate and call it a day. I mean, you might like it like that, you might not. You might like them sunny, you might like them runny or scrambled. Everyone likes their eggs differently. That's why I want to do this month-long challenge, because eggs are something that everyone eats differently. So anyways, that's the way my grandma showed me how to cook an egg when I was a kid. All right, here's bacon and eggs. We also have some leftover steak because we just did a steak video. So now we've got bacon, eggs, and some more eggs. And also, all right, Michael, you want to come try some of this?
Yeah.
So that's it, guys. Bacon, eggs, and steak. I don't think I really show you guys how to cook anything right now. But I mean, I don't know. I blow my mind sometimes. Sometimes people say I didn't know how to freaking cut an onion. So if I helped you, comment down below. Thanks for the help or something. How do you like your eggs?
Over easy.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
More hot sauce.
Eggs and bacon fat.
What are you gonna do for the next one?
I don't know. You guys comment down below what I should do for Eggmas day 2. Also, smash like, subscribe.